I tend to spend a lot of time in front of my laptop, and when I'm typing away, my eyes are always fixated on the laptop screen, which is quite close to my eyes. And I thought that if I can get a wireless keyboard, it would really allow me to kind of put my laptop further away from myself. Especially, I do tend to connect an HDMI from my laptop to my TV. So this way, if I had a wireless keyboard, I could kind of just browse and type away, and instead of looking at my laptop screen, I could just point my eyes more towards the TV. So this is what the keyboard looks like. It's a Logitech K830, as I mentioned. Kind of comes in like a bluish gray cover case. So the great thing about this keyboard is that number one, it's wireless. So you can put it on your lap, and it's very sleek, and it's not a huge design. It's quite compact and small. Obviously it's illuminated. Here it's got a built-in touchpad as well, if you see over there, which is really awesome. I mean, a lot of people have wireless mouses these days, but if you're okay with using a touchpad, it already has a built-in one for you. There's two ways that you can connect this keyboard. So obviously the one method I believe is with a dongle. You basically put it into the USB jack of your laptop. If you don't have a USB port, you can always buy an adapter. Obviously these days every device is almost like a Thunderbolt or a USB-C. The one way is obviously connecting the dongle into the laptop, which picks up the connection. The other method is it does have Bluetooth, so you can connect the keyboard directly to your device via Bluetooth, and then it'll work that way. Some features about it: you can use the keyboard up to 10 meters. Your device that the keyboard is connected to can be in that range, and it'll still pick up the signal, which is really cool. So it gives you the flexibility. How it works, a lot of keyboards basically you throw a few batteries in them and they're good to go. With this one, it does come with a charging cable. So it's a 3-hour charge. You have up to 10 days to use the keyboard that the battery life is good for. I've always been a big fan on Logitech. I mean, I've had Logitech accessories for quite a while. The price tag on this keyboard is about $96, so it's not, I would say, the most expensive keyboard out there. It's also not the cheapest, but you pay for what you get. And the features that this thing comes with, I think, is really, it's a good value for the money. It's super light, super compact. Yeah, so this is basically what the keyboard looks like. There's your touchpad. If you see over here, F1, basically if you click that, it illuminates the screen. If you click it again, it gives you a much stronger illumination. And then if you click it for the third time, it basically just shuts it off. There's a charging port here. It's pretty straightforward. You just plug the USB into the charging port. There you go. And then the other end, right here, you can just plug basically into your laptop or into like an iPhone cube. It's here, so if we open this up, there's your USB clip. This just basically goes into the USB of your laptop. Another method you can do is you can just do it through the Bluetooth as well. So if I disconnect this, just go on your laptop, whether you have a laptop or a tablet. You can type in Bluetooth in the search bar. Basically what it'll do, it'll bring you to this kind of screen that says Bluetooth and other devices. From here you can just hit add Bluetooth or other device. Once you click on that, it's going to try to search for your keyboard. So what you have to do is you have to click down on FN and on delete at the same time on the keyboard. Once it does that, it'll prompt you to basically a pairing code. Once you type in the code on the keyboard and hit enter, the keyboard will be paired. Hey guys, so if you want to check if the keyboard is basically working, hit enter. You can see that it works. It's pretty sweet. Guys, so that's pretty much the video on the Logitech K830 setup. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did enjoy it, if you can like the video, subscribe to my channel, that'd be awesome. But until then, stay safe guys, and we'll talk soon.